light na sound batarere ase ekoroba ya Ouru Towers somucho busungu angena AM Taylor samange ba Christmas number 0721217817 Hazina Siri Events. This is a surety.
Nogani kukolerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano y'ekikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo enyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijiga ao munabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige buno Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega asirigolidio gotukutira ninchwe omurikirwe ye masije munaba manyi bitabo bari nubo manyi wiguro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkomo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onekuganitie omurikirwe nabukulika eujumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gosegu ya Kisii gutira namba 0741499726.
Marako bengia naenda mwancho murire wa Getembe TV. Karibu sana na Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi cha bono muragoba Chinsa cha Afrika ya mocha. Karibu sana tunyarako ya sanga senchira ere yobwengike makubwa mono narali aliagenda tokorekana ase serikali enene cross bimanyirio nere vene nyaboke nkoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa na umurai wensi muske William Ruto nigo lituko lya rero use mugasorero anyalire ko kwana naba MCA na kubura buna obuwenia gusoborwa lya sechinya gitari au me yense ya Kenya bobe inse ye serikali enene ose chi serikali chiri chichi county nigo bono bobonete ko ba abosa nigo bono anyari gotabuna mukenyonde wensi weligetie ase umurobelyo sha tabonete wakanera besa chindi chonsi chingaki akonyoro burwali ase chinya gitari nigo ayakwana ega kurasa magacho KICC asabwategekaro na aba MCA kuro chi county chonsi merongene na isano na ibere.
All I want to ask members of county assemblies, don't allow facilities in your area of jurisdiction to continue to charge citizens for treatment. Let me repeat. As a member of the county assembly, I want you to know every facility that is providing outpatient facility, be it a dispensary, be it a health center or a level 4 hospital, be it private, faith-based or public, all of them, the government of Kenya pays for citizens who go to those facilities for outpatient facilities without any payment. Citizens should be treated. All they need to do is to make sure they are registered in SHA. The rest will be taken care of by the government of Kenya. Because the biggest challenge that has always been there to the people of Kenya has been the absence of medicines in our facilities. Mwananchi anaenda pale, naambiwa mambo ni sawa, namna hii, mwisho anaambiwa hakuna dawa. So we have agreed with the Council of Governors. The problem that existed that time was the refill rate of KEMSA. Refill rate for KEMSA in 2022 was 38%. I can now tell you here standing that it is now 97%. Meaning that every facility should have medical commodities. There is no longer an excuse for any facility not to have the right medicines for our citizens. And as county assembly members, please, I want to enlist your support in making sure that we red flag and we profile those facilities that either continue to charge citizens or continue to tell us there is no medicine.
Okwana kurose egikare kyo na ba MCA ni goboigo umugavana we county ya Nairobi Muske Johnson Sakaja nyara gukwana buna aba MCA emergency ya Kenya ni gobakonyora engeria erense mono ejobono etali kumakonya gusekoirira abange babo batigara abachandegete nechinga kiecho nekera obolirie muraibwensi anyare koligereria na baranyare kupoterana nechi serikali chechi county iri kwenekibuna aba MCA banyare kwenyorera ekeganja ekyo baratenenere kebwekaine kelia kiaba bunge.
And I'm very happy, and I know you will tell us, because when we're asking them for that job group elevation, it has not been fair. That those who vet our CCs, vet the county secretary, vet the county attorney, and also on the ground, many times, ukiangalia payslip, hata ile allowance ya kukaa kwa nyumba, ile allowance ya, assembly, it does not augur well. Your Excellency, I have been a legislator for 10 years. I've been an MP and a senator. Tukiwa wabunge, saa zingine ile kidogo inakaa kidogo but nakuja kila siku ilikuwa inatuongezea motisha ya kufanya kazi yetu zaidi. I know we are dealing with the wage bill and we have to put it properly, but some of these concessions will actually strengthen devolution and they will strengthen delivery at the county level, because devolution is the greatest gift that our country has in our constitution. Your Excellency, the county ward, the Ward Development Fund, I have never understood why, because they are representatives and they do oversight and representation. MPs are also representatives who do oversight and representation. Why would an MP have NGCDF and an MCA cannot have Ward Development Fund? The Ward Development Fund, the same way we addressed it in the law to make sure it focuses on national government functions, we can have the Ward Development Fund called the County Government Ward Development Fund, so that even for us, we can say there is spread projects across each and every ward in the county. Isiwe tu ni zile ward ambapo governor anasapotiwa ama watu kukombengo fulani ya siasa, zote ziweze kupata hiyo support.
Mwaziri w'ekisenge Muske Julius Migose Ogamba nigori tukoria rero anyarire guchakia umurobero ohere Africa ase university ya Kisii. Umurobero ega nigora cheko bakonya aborokiwa bechi university ao ase okokoro butuki ase mitandao igoro ya masomo boigo amabaga yemeremo na yega nigo aracheko bakonya aborokiwa bo kolenganiwa nechiro yensengima ase anamunaso kwenyorera emeremo kaukwana chinga kiecho kugamba nigo bono anyarire gotabuna nigo arachie kwenekia buna engane yiga yanyarire gwikirana nabo igo konya gusinga chibesa chirabo tukocha umurobero yo nechi milioni 100 eri gusira abasaye na hanene mono kweneke buna banyorire amayigiri ayo.
It is a coming together of like-minded partners to ensure that we mainstream research and we make decisions based on that research. As a government, you know that the government has established an independent research department domiciled at the Prime Cabinet Secretary's office, which is going to harness the whole of the research in the country so that we have a one-stop shop and we are able to collaborate and have a depository of all the research that is being undertaken in order for us to benefit from that research. Further, we are raising the resources, and you've had His Excellency the President indicate that the research component that has been hitherto at 0.8% of GDP is now being raised to 2% of GDP. And that goes to show how important the sector is and how important research is being taken by government, because without research we cannot progress beyond that knowledge that we get through that kind of research. So that's why we are here. It's a very, very important step, and we are very, very thankful to all our partners who've contributed towards the initial amount that is, I think, of 100 million that will continue to increase up to 2050 with a vision of raising that figure to $100 million.
Na abawakili korwa Chinsa mensi ya Kenya ni kubono litukuria rero banyara gutarira ekigambiro kya milimani ase umuchi Nairobi ase obuchori bumurai bw'ekiumbe kya Law Society of Kenya gose LSK igati yabo na barai bagisiasa na boigo abawakili bari babiri bagochenguma yensi ya Kenya nekiro batebiruna nigo barigite konyora umurai bw'abawakili gose umuteneneri uranyara kubakonya kubwa muno chinga kyechiga chi campaign cha chakire na boigo obuchori obonene bwo mwaka 2027 bwabereire ange
7, and we want strong leaders who are going to ensure that they will defend the rule of law, because we know what happens during national elections, and I wish that national elections could be this way, as peaceful as this election.
I have voted at the Supreme Court this morning. Today is a great day for exercise of civic responsibility. Advocates of the High Court of Kenya. My name is Charles Kanjama, Senior Counsel. I'm one of the 3 candidates for President of the Law Society of Kenya, the term of 2026 to 2028. And we appeal upon all advocates of the High Court to turn out in large numbers, express their will at the ballot box, so that we get a strong leader who can take LSK through the next 2 years. We also appeal to all employers to release their advocates who are employees so that they can come and vote. We also got a communication from the Law Society of Kenya to the courts to facilitate the lawyers who are attending court to get time to come and vote. So we are very confident that that will be done.
Na waombea wanasiasa wote wa Law Society of Kenya wanaotafuta viti ushindi mkubwa. Jambo ambalo Wakenya mtajua ni kwamba hizi kura sio kura za Law Society of Kenya. Hizi ni kura za katiba. Kipengele cha 4 cha sheria ambayo inatengeneza Law Society of Kenya inatwika jukumu kubwa zaidi kwa hawa viongozi wanaotafuta uongozi leo. Kura za 2027, hawa viongozi ambao tunawachagua kama mawakili ndio watakuwa ulinzi wa taifa nzima.
na sensemo ya mugana uchumi ni gobono omubunge okiharwo Moskendi Ndinyoro bono agendete ko igeria kusena kwena na oboseme cha sava Kenya na boigo kubamanya buna ndakense ya Kenya nigo Irene Maiga akiuchumi kubwatekana na kiribuna abakenya bange gusomo barori goro w'abakenya nigo okoitera amakongu o kubwa muno nekiro bakorega sienkongu buna bono asensemo iri iyoboremi batari konyora ebitoki ibisaine na sensemo yende nigo tebiruna no nyene serikali ni bwato kubwa kugokinia uchumi yense ya Kenya anomuno goetera asoko nekebuna abakori mirimo banyare konyora engeri erevia na boigo echiro yanyarire gotwara amagori akorengana.
Remember, productivity of a country is a summation of my productivity and yours and the other person. And what is productivity? You may even measure it through income. Service industry accounts for 65% of our economy.
Mwancho muriria kosobu kwa vera soroboti obu uru kolende no tukore Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asensemeyo no nyora yona yana mangi asenchera engikirano kema ikoraga Chinsa yure na boigo Chinsa nye cha rero marogoba tobosebuska ekiagera emirobulio ya Getembe TV negenderete na boigo tubwatie ase emitandao yetu Chinsa mocha Facebook na boigo Chinsa mochiria cha TikTok na boigo YouTube kuruko Matildah Obaigwa verinyaboke kurwa sebe manyero nere Kevin Ongeri ogenderete okwanekeria chivichana mariogia senchera engekerano kema